How to create a pin on Pinterest. First of all, open up the Pinterest application on your phone. You are now in the Pinterest homepage. You can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests over here. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Select pin to start creating one. You can now choose photos and videos from your camera roll over here. Select the photo that you want and then tap on Next at the top right corner. Here, you can add a title and description for this pin. Then, pick a board you want to add this pin to. You can also manage other settings for this pin below. After you're done, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Create. You have now successfully created a pin. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Here, go to the Pin section above. Then, tap on the Created by You section. You can now view the pin you just created from here. Following these steps, you can easily create a pin on Pinterest.